Hello. We briefly introduce the basic blocks of COTEK DC power system. Number 1. RA3048 rectifier module. Any single module can output 3 kW rated power. Number 2. CR1, the central control unit for DC power system. It displays the status, and meanwhile, various parameters can be set through it. Number 3. All switches that include AC input switch, battery switch, load switch, and CSU power switch. Number 4. Surge protection device. Let's take a look at the back panel. There are several elements in the back panels, including number 1. AC grid input connector. Number 2. Battery connector. Please watch for correct parallel connection, and we can connect two battery sets at the same time. Number 3. PDU connectors, which connects to the loads or power distribution unit. Number 4. Dry contact for failure alarm. Number 5. Battery and the ambient temperature sensor. Number 6. RS232D connector for communication. In this session, we demo how to turn on the system. We first turn on AC input switch. After we make sure all connection is secure and fixed. Then we turn on the battery switch. All load switches are left open position unless exceptional condition requires shutting down any single output channel. But then, please check two things. Number 1, the LED indicator on RA3048 rectifier. It should display solid green. Number 2, the LED indicator on CER1. It also needs to show solid green as a normal status. It's important to understand how to replace the modules. Here we teach you how to do it. RA3048 supports hot swap. We first turn the lock to open position. When any module is plugged out, the LED warning lights blinking orange, which means now is the abnormal situation. After you put back a new module into original slot, and meanwhile turn the lock back to lock position. It takes 5 seconds for system to recognize the new module, and then you will see the warning lights goes off.